Hello guys, and today I'm gonna be showing guys how to create like a new spam bot in Python. There might be some background audio with like background sounds, but just don't care about it. Okay, so first of all, the spam bot that I did, I'm gonna put the video link in the description. Apparently, you don't actually need to click. Like for example, in some apps like Discord, when you spam too much, it's gonna say like you're spamming too much and enter the chill zone. So this code was to like click on the enter the chill zone button, but actually I recently found out that you don't need it. So I'm gonna fix and create a new file called spam bot 3.0 because this one was 2.0. Okay, so first of all I have to do, oh yeah, always remember to add in .py at the end. I forgot. Okay, so first of all I have to import PyAutoboy, and then as usual I have to do thing equals input. When let's add a string just in case. Input enter the thing, and over here like delay equals float input enter delay time, so that we can like wait after spamming, and also the import time. And over here do while true PyAutoboy dot typewrite thing PyAutoboy dot press enter and time dot sleep delay. Now let's try it. Let me open Discord. Thing, I don't know. Random. Delay time, what about like 2.5 seconds? Six. Yeah, I forgot. Then it's not gonna like stop you. Never mind. Yeah, as you can see over here it works, but now let's try it in Discord. Yeah, it's the same thing. Now I'm gonna try again, but make no delay time. Yeah. And let's wait for the message. What? Yeah, as you can see, like the message popped up and we pressed enter, so like nothing happened. But like as you can see, like sometimes he like types 2 times and then sends it, and we don't want that, so we're just gonna like make it press 2 times just in case. Something random. But as you can see, it slows a little bit down. It slows it a little bit down. So I still don't really recommend doing 2 times because it like actually does the same thing. So let's just delete this. And there, our spam bot is ready. I'm gonna put the code in the link in the description. And yeah, oh yeah, and sorry for some background sounds because I'm like in school, so never mind. Yeah.